That's the word on the streets that she had something to do with. They say every time she on line or something, she draked out, iced out, and she wasn't on none of that shit that day. No gun, no little nothing. No jewelry, no nothing. And it went on live, and then boy ran up in
there. They killed him inside the Roscoe's.
Yeah. Right in the middle of
They approached him while he was eating. They was at the table.
They smoked him at the table?
Yeah, nigga.
They told him to come up off his whatever, and he didn't. I guess they said some words was exchanged, and then they started shooting.
Damn.
Them niggas ain't giving shit what he had. They just wanted it down there.
Yeah, they want, yeah. They just
want to go down here.
But y'all say they say a week or two before he had gotten to it with some gang members. They said.
Yeah, he got into it down there with some niggas twice before.
Damn.
These niggas didn't. I mean, shit. These niggas still didn't know where the nigga was at.
Yeah, she posted it.
You can run up in Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles on your ass.
That's what I'm saying. That's that's a known popular spot.
Yeah, anybody can slide up in there, man. But the niggas stars in that hole every day. Niggas don't know who they are unless they exposed.
That's true. Damn.
It'll be like you down here running up in goddamn Papados or something.
Yeah, that's true. That is true. Damn, man. That's crazy. Yeah.
Oh, the game on now. Yeah, this game.
Somebody winning, brother? Yep. EBM God. These niggas getting set up, man.
Yeah.
It's crazy. He from Philly. But he ain't from LA. That ain't his hometown.
Oh damn, he over there with Mick Mills, huh?
I know he's from the East. I think it's Philly though. It's either Philly, Jersey, something like that, but they all around on that East Coast by New York.
I ain't think he was beefing from niggas from Cali. I mean, like, is he gang affiliated?
You gotta be, but I understand that you got that money, man. You wanna show me that there ain't nothing wrong with that. But if you out here into it with different people, then there's something wrong with it. You know what I'm saying? You can't be out here into it with people and walking around here flossing.
Yeah.
In somebody else's city and state.
That's true. That is true.
You see what I'm saying? That's the thing. Like, yeah, I'm from Houston. We from Houston. We go out there to Atlanta doing all this. You know what I'm saying? Niggas Atlanta like, man, nigga, where you y'all from H-Town. Y'all go to Houston. Y'all don't come to Atlanta, then you beefing with us. You around here showing us. It's like you telling us, nigga, rob me. You know what I'm saying? I got all this. I'm talking noise. You know what I'm saying? It's just, because they say that he had got into it with them already. He had got approached a couple of times before that. He got like some niggas walked up to him like they trying to jack him or whatever, but ain't that. Damn. Yeah, he did an interview with DJ Academic.
Okay.
He kind of talked a little bit about it. So if you ever go check that interview out, because I kind of went back and
it went down. It looked like, hold on, Jake. Yeah, it looked like it. You'll be okay. Yeah, you say one bad, Jake. You say what?
This nigga feel the dog talking.
Then you know what? Another thing too, you talking that noise, man, and you pulling up in LA, so it's kind of like, nigga, I'm here. What you gonna do? You know what I'm saying?
Right. You can't. Yeah. It's like you taunting me in my own city.
Yeah. For real. Yeah.
Do that. You just can't. And as much as I understand the other side of it too, because why have money if I can't floss it?
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
That's true.
I earned it. I worked hard for this, so I should be able to get what I want, wear what I want. But I would do that if I'm here in Houston or Galveston, whatever. If I'm here and around my people, around the folks I know, I ain't gonna have no problem with it. But I'm going somewhere else, and I already know it's static.
Yeah.
Come on, you gotta be more aware.
Aware, yeah.
Come on, man. You can't. Yeah,
that was crazy. Hey, your boy Charleston White, he acting bad too, man. He need to chill out, bro. Charleston White.
Who you say?
Charleston White, the nigga from Dallas.
Oh man, I ain't got
that
no
nigga is crazy, bro. Something wrong with that nigga.
Yeah, I ain't got no comment on him, man. That dude there, man.
That nigga is crazy, bro. He talking about Nipsey. Nigga, he just tripping, bro.
Just saying stuff, man. And you come on, man. You gotta come on. You got a big platform, man. So you gotta watch. You know what I'm saying? You gotta audit yourself, man. I know people be like, nigga, I can say what I want. Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
But it's consequences to certain things you say.
That's right, nigga. For real.
And being that you represent Texas, it's like, come on, man. We ain't like that. we ain't like that. You being a major figure on the scene, like through social media and people seeing you, and then it's like, oh, that's that nigga from Texas. That's
Yep.
You making us
explain something to me, Jake. Who is he?
He Charleston White. He just came. He just came on the social media scene. He was locked up or something for some years. He didn't rap or something, and he did his time, and he got out, and now he's like a public figure who rats and who tells. It's like I don't know. I don't understand it. It's like he went to jail for not ratting.
He didn't come out here and start snitching.
I gotta do some. I try to stay out because he do too much. So
yeah, he do.
I don't even want to know a lot about him and stuff like that. But it's so much that just pops up that he's saying, and it's like, man, this dude here, bro.
Yeah.
It's just
he out of there, bro. He out of there.
It's like he got this big old platform in Texas. You know what I'm saying? It's a few people that got big platforms like that where you can go on
right.
Have podcast like Willie D them.
Yeah, Willie D. I see Willie D.
Yeah, Willie D. The Ghetto Boys Reloaded. They got their own podcast, and then there's some dudes in Dallas. There's some dudes in Dallas that got a podcast too. That they kind of up there, but he'll go on their show and stuff like that every once in a while.
So the ones that have been recording him, I've been seeing that they've been doing different segments on it.
Yeah, they giving him that, but they're a good podcast because they talk to a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? People from Houston, people from Dallas, and Texas folk, they're a good podcast. It's just when he go on there, being that he from Dallas, and they got that podcast in Dallas, it's like it's home for him, and he just go in there and say whatever. Right. And now he can just go on his phone now because now he got 100,000 of people that follow him, stuff like that. And he probably got millions of people that hate him. You know what I'm saying? So
that's about right. Yeah, that's about right.
But I think it's more people that hate him than like him. So
that's crazy.
Like,
nigga, that's crazy.
The boy's mama that just got killed. PnB Duck.
I seen that. Yeah, is that about?
Yeah, when he was with their mama, so he do good. He have a good deed I don't even want to say side. This is like a good deed. You know how you say 1 out of 5? I mean, you got the whole 5 circle, he got that little 1 out of 5 out of 5.
Yeah.
Ain't no whole side like he just got a good deed side. Nah, he gave back by, you know, going back, being with the mama, talking to the mama, blessing her, you putting money in their pocket, stuff like that.
Okay, so, cool.
It's like it's crazy because he say all that dumb stuff and then he help people mama that's on the streets, stuff like that. Because she's from Chicago. The dude that got killed in Chicago.
Yeah, Chicago. Yeah. Damn. You for real?